Let's Go Home by Erni Hastut. Father asked Tole to bring the calf to the meadow. Father asked Tole to go home before late afternoon. On the way, Tole is not alone. Tole! Tole plays with his friends. They play Benthic with fun. Tole's friends say goodbye. Tole remembers his father's message. He has to go home before late afternoon. Let's go home. It's almost night. Stop eating. Hey, where are you going? Let's go home. Let's go home. Fast. Naughty calf. Let's go home. Ugh. It seems the calf is very mad. Oh, too bad. Stop! Calf, forgive me. Moo. Ugh. The calf eats again. Is he still hungry? Tole waits until it's full. Moo. Tole and the calf are surprised. Heard a very loud voice. Where does this voice come? Suddenly, the calf moves, looks for the source of the voice. Tole also stands. Moo. Mother cow calls. Time to go home.